Hello travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to get a student discount on Singapore Airlines in 2025 and how to save big on your next international flight. Whether you are studying abroad, traveling for school, or just looking to stretch your student badge, and this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. The first of all, you have to know who is eligible for this. Singapore Airlines offers a students privilege program called Student Fares, available for full-time student age 18 to 30 and traveling for a study location or personal trip with valid proof like a student ID or university acceptance letter. These fares include discounted tickets and extra baggage and flexible charge changes. To get the discount, follow this step. Go to the official website, Singapore Airlines website. Here you can see this. I have already here, and you can see this on the screen. And in the menu, look for deals. Here you can see the. Then you can search the student privilege and to click here. Here you can see this. We start searching for a student fees now. Exclusive breaks for further, and or you can search Singapore Airlines student fares on Google, then click book now. Save on selected fare tips, increased check baggage allowance. Here you can see this, and complimentary booking change. Here's how you can start enjoying your student privilege. Here, join key flyer as a Chris Player members. You will earn miles for you. Here you can sign up. To click the sign up option, and you can get your information here, and title, first given names, last name, date of birth, contact information, email, and here you can see this number of, then click the to continue and go to this. You can see, then verify your student status. If you sign up for a Kingfisher membership using the button above, you will be asked to verify your student status after registration. Then if you already have a Flyer account, log in and selected the button below to get verified. You will need then this one's your verified student status. Here you can give the Chris Flyer number or email address and password. Then you can register now and create password. Here you can see find out more. There are more options. Then go to the making your booking to get the enjoy your privilege. Always search for fares through our dedicated student page. You must be logged into a verified student status. Here you can frequently asked question, how do I become a verified student? Then as a student, your ticket comes with awesome perks, discount fare on economy and premium economy, 40 kgs checked baggage or 3 pieces depending on your route, free date changes or reduced charge fees, flexible booking cushion in case plans change. All of our information are given. Here are some extra hacks to get the most out of your student fares. Sign up your Kingfisher Airlines loyalty program to earn miles on your student flights. Use the student fare for one-way tickets if you are moving abroad. Book early. Students sets are limited and sell out fast. Keep an eye out for a seasonal promotion for a student during back to school or exam breaks. Then here you can see why did my student verification fare, how much savings can I enjoy on my air tickets as a student. All our information here given, and that's it. Getting a student discount on Singapore Airlines in 2025 It's super easy. Just verify your student status and book directly from the official site. You will get extra package, more flexible and discount fares. All designed to support students like you. And if this helped you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.